Hello class, I wanted to post a video regarding your Unit 3 quiz. The quiz contains questions about credit like what you have already seen this unit, so please be familiar with the Unit 3 content. The quiz also contains several time value of money questions, like the types of questions you have seen in previous units and like the questions you saw in Project 3. Please brush up on your time value of money skills before you attempt the quiz. I will now work through a type of time value of money problem that you may not have seen yet. Considering the following example. Imagine you have $1,000 owed on your credit card. The interest rate is 18% and you make payments of $50 each month. What is the total interest cost to borrow? First off, we need to figure out what the question is asking for. Total interest cost to borrow is the amount of interest you pay on $1,000. Any amount you pay over the $1,000 you owe counts as total interest cost to borrow. To begin, you must figure out how many payments you will make until the card is paid off completely. We know that present value is positive $1,000 because the money has been loaned and is therefore a cash inflow. We know that interest rate is 18%, but we must divide it by 12 to account for monthly compounding. We know the future value is 0 because we want to pay the balance of the card down to $0. Lastly, we know that payments are negative 50 because of the cash outflow. Now we solve for n to figure out how many months we will pay. We should get n equals 23.96 months. Now we must take the time period to pay off the card and multiply it by the payment to figure out how much was paid to the credit card company. 23.96 times 50 is equal to 1,198. So that is the total amount paid. We know that the original balance on the card was $1,000, so to compute the total cost to borrow, we just subtract 1,000 from 1,198 and come up with $198. That means you paid $1,000 in principal and $198 in interest. So the total cost to borrow is $198.